Looking at the universe, many people say that this world is based on one's karma. Some say it is operated by time. Some say it is based on natural law. Most of people believe that there is some God who has created this world. Most of the people in our society believe in God. Some believe in Allah. Some believe in God. Some in Lord. Some in Goddess. But fundamentally, people believe in an element who is either a manager or a creator or a guardian or a steward, who is God. Now, some believe that God has a particular form. Some believe that God is formless, or there is no shape of God, as the light of sun does not have any form. Water does not have any form, as it is formless. Water takes the form of glass. If you put in glass, it does not have a definite shape. If you put in river, it takes the form of river. When you put it in ocean, it takes form of an ocean. If you put it in lake, it takes the form of lake. Water does not have a particular form. It is formless. Light is formless. Light does not have a form. It is called formless. Something which does not have any figure or shape, as it cannot be drawn perfectly. Hence, it is called formless. There are many societies who believe that God is formless. But we don't believe that God is formless. God always has a form. There is a figure, just like a person's figure. 16-year-old teenager, God's idol is worshipped in temple. He is God with a form. Now, we believe that God has form, but many others believe that God does not come to this world. There are many religions who believe that God does not take birth on this earth. Some believe that God sends His Son for reformation of society. Some believe that prophet comes from God's message, but God does not come Himself. But our Hindu religion strongly believe that God Himself takes birth on this earth. And Krishna has very clearly stated this in Gita. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir-bhavati bharat abhyuthanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. O Arjun, whenever there is decay or unrighteousness, then I myself come as an avatar. Bahuni mi vyatitani janamani tava charjuna. O Arjun, both you and I have passed many births.
Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge.
God says that I take birth from time to time. This is our strong belief. God is the manager of this world, that God has a definite form, and God appears on this earth, subject to the love of His devotee. Hari Vyapak Sarvatra Samana. He stays everywhere. Prem te pragat hoi mein jana. Where there is love for God, love comes there. It is very clearly written in Prahlad's heart, Jake Hriday Bhakti Jas Preeti. One who has whatever amount of devotion and love for God, God lives in him in that proportion. God lives in my heart as much as there is love and devotion in my heart for God. God lives in your heart as much as there is love and devotion in your heart for God. Prahlad's heart and devotion and love towards God due to his affection and love. Lord Rishi appeared from pillar. God is everywhere. God is not formless. God is present everywhere in reality. When our sight would be able to see across all barriers, illusions, only then you and I will be able to see God everywhere.